year when zucchini tends to show up on everybody's doorstep. I mean, it grows just about as fast as you can give it away. But joining me is Dr. Cindy Haynes from ISU. And Cindy, tell us more about summer squash.
Well, this is summer squash that we're growing at the ISU demonstration garden here in Ames. And summer squash is one type of squash. Everyone knows winter squash and pumpkin is another type of squash. But summer squash is much more abundant in the summer. There are many different types of summer squash. Zucchini by far is the most recognizable. There's also yellow crookneck squash, and then there's a patty pan or scallop type squash, and then there's unusual types like the 8-ball types and other things along those lines.
Okay, what kind of growing conditions do they need?
Ideally, summer squash need full sun with well-drained soil, and they also need plenty of room. They don't get quite as big as winter squash or pumpkins, but you do need to space them about 3 feet apart.
Okay, and then when should you pick them?
You harvest them when they're small and they're tender. Your fingernails should go through the skin very easily. This generally means that the zucchini squash shouldn't be more than 6 to 8 inches long, maybe 2 inches in diameter, and with the patty pan squash about 4 inches in diameter.
Okay, and then finally, how should you prepare them? Any special tips for us?
To make them most flavorful, they'll be very small. Just chop them up, put them in boiling water, or you can steam them or saute them in a little butter, or I just like to kind of put them on a kebab and put them on the grill.
And then what about the flowers? I hear they're edible?
Flowers are also edible. They're great as a food. You can kind of batter them or stuff them, and if you eat the flowers, then you're reducing your fruit production.
All right, good point. Thanks. And if you would like more information on summer squash, be sure to log on to our website. For Gardening in the Zone, I'm Liz Gelman.